Welcome back, Future Medicals. KEA has released the round 2 schedule for Karnataka, and they have also released certain information related to the security deposit and the rules for round 2. So in this video, we are going to look at these three documents: the schedule, the caution deposit, and the rules related to round 2. Come, let's get into the details. So I am right now at the KEA website, and I'm going to discuss three important documents that are released related to round 2. So first, let's look at the second round schedule. Now, this is the schedule released by KEA. So this came in today only, even though it is dated 20th August. So you can see here some of the important points. One, display of seat matrix 21st August, which they have done already. Seat matrix is available. Then payment of caution deposit of 1 lakh rupees. We will discuss who has to pay, who need not pay the caution deposit. We will discuss. Then rearrangement of options. So basically your choices or options can be rearranged. And when you have to do this, payment of caution deposit as well as rearrangement of options has to be done from 21st August 1 p.m. until 25th August 1 p.m. So 4 days of time is given. So it's already open. You can start doing it. And the last date is 25th August 1 p.m. Now, in case if you have got a seat somewhere else in round 1, let's say MCC or other states, you can quit your round 1 seat. In case someone has joined the round 1 seat in Karnataka, you can quit the round 1 seat by 23rd August 4 p.m. So if you quit by that date, probably Karnataka will be able to add those vacancies for round 2 results. That will be better for the candidates who are participating in round 2. So when the results will be released, publication of second round mock or provisional results. Okay, I don't think it's a mock results. It's more of a provisional results. So publication of second round provisional results will be on 29th August after 1 p.m. So after the options entry closes by 25th August, the results are expected by 29th August. But when should I join? What if I am participating in MCC? What if I am participating in some other state? Is Karnataka doing it very well ahead? Even MCC has not started, but Karnataka has started. Do I not lose the opportunity for trying All India Counseling? No, that's where Karnataka has done it very, very beautifully, very clever way of handling the counseling. So they will publish the results on 29th August, but that's not the final results. So you can still decide whether to join Karnataka or should you move to MCC or other state. You can decide. So the final results, right? The second round final results will be released only after MCC round 2 results. Now, how that will happen, I will explain that later. But as of now, you should be more interested in the provisional results. So after seeing the provisional results of Karnataka, you can also wait for MCC round 2. And in case if you get a better seat in MCC round 2, you should be able to move. Or if you don't get a seat or if you don't get a better seat in MCC, then you can join KEA seat, which is shown in the provisional results. But there is a final results, and in final results, you may even get a better seat than provisional results. Now, the second document, let's look at the caution deposit. So the caution deposit, as we saw in the schedule, you need to pay a caution deposit of 1 lakh. Now, who should pay the caution deposit? So basically, there are two sets of candidates in KEA. One, those who got an allotment in round 1, those who did not get an allotment. So if you have not got an allotment, you must pay 1 lakh. You have not got any seat in round 1, then you must pay 1 lakh security deposit now to participate in round 2. Let's say you got a seat and you have opted for choice 1 and joined the college. Then you are not participating in the counseling, so you do not need to worry about the caution deposit. Candidates who selected choice 2, you also have paid the tuition fees, so you also no need to worry about the 1 lakh caution deposit. Only candidates who have selected choice 3, that means they did not want to join the round 1 allotted seat, they let that seat go, they only have to pay 1 lakh. How about choice 4? Of course, they are out of the counseling, so no need to worry. So only 2 sets of candidates have to pay the caution deposit. One, candidates who did not get any seat allotment in round 1 of KEA, and candidates who got a seat allotment but went with choice 3. So these two group of students must pay 1 lakh caution deposit. And the advantage here is, if let's say you get a seat in round 2 final results, and if you are joining the college, then this 1 lakh will be adjusted against your tuition fees. So you do not need to wait for the refund of the caution deposit like MCZ or in some other states where it takes a few months. KEA is doing a good procedure where the caution deposit is adjusted against the fees. But let's say a seat is allotted to you in the final results, but you are not joining the college, you are not paying the balance fees that you need to supposed to pay, then you will lose the security deposit. The caution deposit will be imposed as a penalty because seat is allotted to you in the final results, but you are not taking it. Now let us look at the third document, which is more about the rules related to the KEA. Now there are a lot of information here. I'm not going to go through. You can read it. I will jump straight to some of the important information. Now, who can participate in the second round? Of course, anyone who did not get any seat, they can participate. Now, once they log into KEA portal, they will be asked a question like, are you interested in participating in round 2? Once you say yes, then you will be allowed to enter. And you also have to complete the caution deposit payment. And after completing the caution deposit payment, then you will be able to rearrange your options. But please remember, you will get only the options which you have chosen in round 1. Let's say in round 1, you are given, let's say 25 options. Now, all the 25 options will show for you because you did not get any seat. All the 25 options will show. And out of the 25 options, you can delete some options. You can move and rearrange the options. For example, the 25th option, you want to move it to 10th, you can do it. The 10th option, you want to move it to 15th, you can do it. But you cannot add an additional option. You cannot have the 26th option. That is not possible. You can delete some of them. Say, for example, you are not interested in the college that is in the 9th position. You can delete it. You do not want the number 1 option given in round 1. You can delete it. Deleting is okay. But you won't be able to add new options unless there are some new colleges suddenly included in Karnataka Council. But as of now, the seat matrix is released where there is no new colleges or new seats being added. So as of now, that's not possible. So this is for candidates who did not get any allotment in round 1. Now, candidates who have got a seat in round 1 and selected choice 2. So what is choice 2? Choice 2 is, I'm happy with the round 1 college, but I want to upgrade. I want to move to a better college. So for them, what will happen when they log in? They don't need to pay caution deposit. Let's say in round 1, they have given 100 choices and they got the 40th choice college. Now, what will happen when you log in? The choices from 41 to 100, they all will be deleted. It will not be available for you because you already got choice 40, the option 40. So 41 to 100 is not important. They are deleted. So you should only look for colleges above option 41. That is from 1 to 39 you can look at. 40 is allotted to you. 1 to 39 you can look at. But within 1 to 39, if you don't want some of them, you can delete it. If you want to rearrange some of them, you can rearrange. That's up to you. But please remember, keep only colleges that is better than your current college. Don't put any college where you think it may or may not be good, because you cannot go back to the round 1 college. If round 2 a college is allotted, you cannot go back to round 1. So be careful when you are going for round 2 options. Round 2 options is very, very important. You should have a college already, but you want a better college. So in case no college is allotted from 1 to 39, or let's say, right, you have deleted some, you left with 30 options, you did not get any college. That means you will retain the round 1 college. So no problem, but please be careful with your options. Now, candidates who have selected choice 3, now they have to log in and they have to pay the caution deposit. So there are 3 sets of people. Candidates who did not get a seat, they have to pay caution deposit. Candidates who have selected choice 2, they do not need to pay caution deposit. Candidates who have selected choice 3, they must pay caution deposit. After paying the caution deposit, once they log in, let's say they have given 100 options in round 1 and they got, let's say, 75th option in round 1. But they were not interested in the 75th option. Now what will happen? You will get 99 options in round 2. Only the 75th college, which you say I am not interested, will be removed. The remaining 99 options will be available. And you are free to once again rearrange the options in the order you want. You can delete some of them, but you cannot add any new options. So I hope this is clear. So we need to log in and give our consent. We need to pay the caution deposit and then ensure we do the right options entry. Now, as I told you in the schedule, there is something called the provisional results. Now, what is provisional results? On 29th August, KEA will publish a provisional results. So based on the options entry by all the candidates, now they will be publishing the results. So you will know whether you got a seat or not, right? Now, they will not publish the final results until MCC publishes the round 2 results. Okay. So KEA says they will announce the provisional result and wait for the announcement of the second result by MCC. This is very good. So Karnataka students will know whether they got a seat or not. They are comfortable, they are sitting, and then they will look at MCC. If MCC, they get a better seat, then they can resign and then move to MCC. Sir, is there a penalty if I leave Karnataka seat and move to MCC? No, there is no penalty at all. Provided this is between the provisional results and final results. Before the final results, if you resign, there is no penalty. Okay, you can vacate the seat without any penalty. But if you wait for the final results and then resign, there will be penalty. So between provisional results and final results, we expect the MCC results. So if you get a college in MCC or let's say some other state, say Tamil Nadu or let's say Kerala, and you want to move, do that before Karnataka releases the final results. So when Karnataka will release the final results? That's again interesting. So Karnataka allows candidates to resign. They publish the provisional results and everyone knows what college they got. Now they look at MCC, they look at let's say Tamil Nadu, Kerala or whatever state. And if they get a better seat in those places, they are allowed to resign and go to the other places. Now what will happen? Those seats will become vacant in Karnataka. So Karnataka will wait for a few days and then what they will do? They will run the system again based on the round 2 options given by the candidates still left in the counseling. Candidates who resigned, they will not be considered. Let's say, for example, let's take a simple example. Let's say about 200 candidates are resigning and moving to MCC or Kerala or Tamil Nadu or whatever. Now, these 200 seats become vacant in Karnataka. And now again, the system will run based on these additional 200 seats. And then final results will be published. Now, you may have a doubt, sir, provisional results, I got a seat. Now, after if they run the final results, what if I don't get a seat? That problem will not come. You will always get a better seat or at least you will get the same seat. There is no way from provisional results to final results, people will lose a seat. That's not possible because Karnataka is not asking for any fresh options entry. They are going to use the same options entry that were entered before provisional results. Since there is no change in the options, the final results will not be a problem. So this is very good for candidates who are participating in Karnataka. They will have a better chance of getting a seat before round 3 because in many states, the problem is after round 2, many candidates resign and the genuine candidates have to wait until round 3. But in Karnataka, that's good. It's like an extended round 2. And in extended round 2, if you get a seat, you can be happy. Please take note that candidates will not be allowed to make any choices after the declaration of second round final results. What do we mean by choices here? Choices means like round 1, they had choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4. No, there is no choice now. You must take the seat. You cannot say that, oh, I don't want a seat. Let me try a round 3 better seat. No, that's not possible. You cannot say that, let me exit the counseling. Give me choice 4. No, that's also not possible. So after the final results, you must take the seat. Failure to pay the fees or take admission after the final second round results. Final results, provisional results is okay. Final second round results will result in legal action against such candidates. Okay. So please be careful. If you are waiting until the final results, after the final results, there is a seat, you may not be allowed to resign after that. Candidates who are not allotted, of course, if you have not got a seat, you can participate in the mop-up round or round 3, basically round 3. So that's it basically. So you need to take note that the provisional results and final results, the importance you need to understand. After the final results, if someone is not joining, they will certainly lose the security deposit, and KEA is also threatening they may take a legal action. But whether they will do that or not, I don't know, but at least you will lose the partial deposit. So try to take your decision between the provisional results and final results. That's always better. I hope this information is useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.